Hi, I am Anand Oak. I am making a clockwise movement into anti-clockwise movement. It is a wall clock movement. Now it is moving in clockwise direction. I will have to break that seal. Remove the cell. Open the moment and modify the magnet wheel assembly. Now this pin is to be cut because we are changing the magnet strip in which there is one locking. Now we are reversing the magnet strip. This is an electrostatic magnet. When current passes through that coil, it will be magnetized. Now this has to be reassembled. That's simple. It has self-locking mechanism, so these are guided. Once you press evenly, it should fit. Now we will try by placing a battery whether it works in anti-clockwise direction or not. Yes, it has started working in anti-clockwise direction. This is specially made for Persian and Urdu speakers whose script is from right to left. So according to me, who write from right to left, natural movement for them is anti-clockwise. This idea came to mind in one of my friend by name Pramod Rajguru. He was trying for so many people that watch can be reversed. But after making it, I thought that if there is some application, then it will have some value. Otherwise, it's just a fun. So I thought that people who write from right to left script, like Persian, Urdu or Hebrew, for them natural movement will be anti-clockwise movement, and that's why I gave it an application for Urdu and Persian people. My name has appeared in Limca Book of Records in some 1990 or something. I was also interviewed on television in Limca Records Ki Anokhi Duniya, and at length interview was published in Illustrated Weekly, Indian Fortnight. Thank you.